Alright, so we're working on the 8670. This the parking lever is broken. You can see it's cracked here, so we got a new one. But in order to get at there's some roll pins in there that are kind of hard to get at. We've got to take the seat out, so that's kind of what I'm working on. Got 4 bolts along the bottom, and then a plug in the back we gotta take out. So all right, so we got the seat out, and I took the pad out, the rubber that goes over everything. It's pretty dirty under there, so I'm gonna clean that out. But so now we can pretty easily get at the roll pins here. They're pretty smushed and damaged, so it's gonna take a little bit of a time to get them out probably. So after a little bit of work here, I got this. There's 3 bolts that hold this on. This lever on. There's one in the bottom that you can't really see very easily, and then 2 on the sides. So we got it out of there. It just disconnects with a little pin with a cotter key in it. So that's what holds the lever on. So now we got to drive this pin out and put a new lever on. Alright, so we got it back together. It had to put some new roll pins in it, but we got it back together. Got to put the seat back in now. Got to try to clean things up a little bit, sprayed it off. So it's not very often that you get under the seat here. So there's our plug for the air seat, and then we'll get her set back down.